Nature, you guys. Nature. It's healing. Again, finding my favorite, one of my favorite things growing to find. The ghost flower, Indian pipe. Man. Oh, absolutely beautiful. I love this stuff. I love to watch it grow. It's so rare to find it though. Oh, what is this? Little mushroom. Little mushroom, there you go. Oh, something must have got to you, huh? The camera don't really focus, does it? That's a beautiful rock. Oh, nature, you guys. Nature. What? Nature, you are beautiful. See, that's what those do. They come up like, they'll point up, then they'll point down, I think, whenever they're done. Or maybe they... What? Look at this one. What? Man, I wish my camera would focus. Cause this is pretty fucking cool looking right there. Man. Like I said, I absolutely love nature. But yeah. Medicines. I just love finding natural medicines, you know, just growing. You know, I like keep a like memory block of where I saw those, and like if I ever need them, you know, it's pretty cool to know where they're at, know where you can find them. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Got the river down there. I figured I'd walk up here for a change, and I'm glad I did. Anyways, you guys, buck yeah.